Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you my inventory system that I have made in Unity. The version is 6.2 and you can look the full version here of my Unity editor. So right now I have a simple scene with some item in the foreground with some like meat, axes and pickaxe. And let me just run the game. It will take a little bit while. Now my game is running. You can see my player is running and my player has a certain radius that he can pick up any item and the object must be an item. Or now my detection radius is 2, so if something that comes in 2 meter radius of my player will pick the item up, not anything but the item up. So let me move. Ah, so it is collecting every single stuff on my game and we can see all the item on my inventory. This is my actual inventory UI, not a system but a UI. And inventory UI, I can relocate item, and while I'm relocating my item, you can see my original location is grayed out. That will show it is being interacted with. I can even swap item, and lastly, I can even split item. If I double click with my left mouse, it will split item here, and I can restack to. And one thing, let me show you my meat item max stack size is 4. So if I try to put anything more than that, it will put remaining item on my original slot. Let me do that. This is my targeted slot. This is my original slot. If I try to put that thing here, it will only place one item on this slot and put the remaining item in the original source slot. And my inventory system is modular and the item is made of a scriptable object. What is scriptable object? You can see, you can ignore about the definition from AI, but it's a good definition. It's allow for storage of data independently from the script instances. So I can store the item value data or item data independently of my game system. And these are my scriptable object of my each item, the X. I have this inventory item data here, and let me change the max stack size so you can see the reflection on my game. My max stack size is 2 and my mid max stack size is 6. And let me rerun the game. And you can see my axis stacking to 2 items, not the 1 item like before. I can even split the X because my item data is independent to my system. And same thing to my meat. I will try to stack the meat more than 6. It will put the remaining 2 items on the original slot. And again, everything that I am showing in the game section is UI only. This thing is UI only. It is not a whole system. This is my inventory UI in this script scene. If I just delete this, my inventory will still work. Let's hope there is no error here. My inventory is still picking up item, but we don't have UI for now. We don't have UI for now, so we can see the where my item is from here because my inventory is big store in my player, not on my UI. My inventory data and the UI data is different. Let me relog the inventory. My inventory, let me see if that thing has done something fishy. Yeah, it has done a little bit of fishy stuff. Now my inventory system should rework. Here, my inventory system is working once again. And this is what I made for the inventory system on Unity from last 3 weeks. Thank you for watching.